Indescribable will be using the 6/8 rhythm, and the first two lines of the verse will be the intro. So you start out with that C sharp minor to the B over D sharp in root position to E in second inversion. F sharp minor 7 in second inversion, E is that minor 7. E in second position, D in second position. And then you start your first verse, same inversions as the intro. Over D sharp. Now when you do the chorus, try to do B octaves and then finish the E chord on the inside. To the B root position with the B on top. Now A2, remember you have the 2 instead of a 3, so you can keep those octave Bs with an E in the middle, let the left hand take care of the As.